I'm going to show you one way to find which battery is bad when you know you have a bad battery. And I'm going to show you how I found this one. This is a 48 volt golf cart. It's got four 12 volt batteries. Now, this is my meter. I have it on DC voltage, not AC, so it's the straight line. And I'm going to show you, sorry, I need an extra hand. If you go by and start checking these batteries one at a time. Let me put my meter on, my camera on the meter. Boy, this is tough. Okay, okay, you can see that one's 12.72. Okay, I'm going to another battery. Move the meter. Going to another battery, reading this one. Boy, this is tough. 12.9. This is the toughest one. This back one on an RXV really sucks. Okay. Okay, this one's 13.3. Now this last one, closest one to the driver, see if I can do this. Watch this. This one is 10.7. Okay, so we know there's four batteries. Two of them are over 12, one of them's 13, one of them's at 10. So we know there's something wrong with this one that's 10. Now, how you can determine that for sure is I'm going to plug the charger in here. Again, this is an RXV. Plug the charger in. This charger see how it barely raises? It says that it's charging, but see the needle? It's just barely bouncing. That tells me there's something wrong. So, go back over here. Let me get my meter. Okay, the charger is still plugged into the cart. Very important. That's the point I'm trying to make, is with this charger plugged into the cart. Now, you would think we should be getting the same amount of voltage on each battery. So I'm going to try to go back again and show you these batteries. This first one, which was 12 something with the charger plugged in, is 13.75 right now because I just started. This next one, 13.09. Go to this tough one now. But this one's going to come up also 13 something. 13.9. Now, watch this. This is the point I'm trying to make. The other three were 13 something. Now watch this when I touch this last one with the charger on. See, it's 21 volts. You immediately know there's something wrong with that battery. So right now, that charger is trying to charge this battery and it won't charge because it's got a bad, at least one cell that's bad. So that's how you can tell with your meter on the voltage, the DC voltage scale with the charger plugged in. That's how you can tell or pinpoint the bad battery. So this charger will probably never shut off and probably going to overheat because it's like trying to charge a rock. So that's the video I wanted to make. we're going to have to replace that one battery. But if I was out on the road and I used my charger, my meter, and got out there and found out that one battery was bad. Let's say when I first started we had 10 volts in this one battery. What I could have done in an emergency situation on a 48 volt cart, if your cables are long enough, you can bypass the bad battery temporarily and probably get home, because at that point you're only running on 36 volts. But if your cables are long enough, I could disconnect this wire and this wire and then run a cable directly from there over to here. So I recommend people carry in the golf cart an extra box end wrench, whether it's 1/2 inch or 9/16, whatever size nuts you have on your batteries, to carry a couple extra nuts in the glove compartment there with a wrench, a couple paper towels, and one long battery cable as an emergency situation, just to get you home. Sometimes you have people that this rots off, it just corrodes off and stops on the road and they can't go. Well, if you had the extra nuts, wrench, and wire, you could replace this on the road, even though it's too long of a cable, but at least it would get you home. And you can get home on the 3 batteries instead of 4. So anyway, that's just a tip I thought I'd throw out there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it brought some sort of knowledge to somebody that might be looking at working on batteries. Anyway, check out our other videos, Wayne's Golf Carts Service, and send me questions, send me anything you want. Ask me to make a video on something with electric carts, and we'll do it. Thank you.